Welcome to 6130 East Azalea Drive. This Randy Tupper home is located in the Azalea Subdivision at Graywood. This home is very near the sports complex, park and golf clubhouse in Graywood.
The lot is 55 feet by 130 feet and has a zero lot line. The large front porch is an ideal location for a small sitting area to have your morning coffee on beautiful South Louisiana mornings. The porch leads you through a French door entry into an oversized foyer. The living room features volume ceilings with a ceiling fan, and several cable TV outlets including over the fireplace mantle. The fireplace is located in the middle of the living room wall, which allows several different seating arrangements.